A very good morning to you, class 3rd students. Here we are with your chapter number 2, that is of addition, and part 3. So we will continue our topic, and our today's worksheet is here, that write the following numbers in the different order and find the sum. We have to arrange these number, and we have to arrange these number in two manner, and we have to add them. As you can see in the example, first one is done for you here. 2168 plus 4754, as you can see in your term 1. So the figure of 2168 will be in upper one, and 4754 will be in lower terms. And later on we will add that two numbers, and in the second term, as you can see here, 4754 is in the upper side. So they are just asking that your answer, that the result of your addition will be the same or not. So we have to check these things only, that whether our result is same or not. You just have to mention here that result is same or different. You will just add these numbers in two terms, and you will just choose the option whether your result is same or not. Like, you will arrange the first in question number 2, 2709 and 5452, and you will add both numbers, and whatever the result you get, leave it like that. And in next box you will write here 5452, and in next one you will write here 2709, and then you will add it, and you will check that answer is same or not. This is the only exercise for you on this page number. Whosoever students are getting their book, they will do this question in book, and whosoever are not having their books, they will not do these these questions in notebook only. Now this one is here, as you can see that look at these number, like 2000 and 1000. These number can be added very easily. We know that 0 added to any number is equal to the number itself. Then when we will add 2000 and 1000, we do not have to add ones, tens, 100. We only add the 1000 and we'll get that answer 3000. As you can see in the figure that they are just putting 0 on same places, and they are just adding 2 and 1. So they just want to tell you that if the 0 will be the same, so you will just add the given number over there. In this term you will learn, student, the estimating of the sums, like a round figure like अंदाज़न. हम कहते हैं ना ऐसा कि अंदाज़न बता दो कितना होगा, अंदाज़न आपके आइडिया से कितना होना चाहिए. तो it is called an estimated of the sum. There are more way to do the calculations faster when we wants to add two numbers quickly. Just to get a round figure, we can just estimate the answer. So this is the explanation that what is the estimating of the answers. As you can see your example first, suppose that you have to estimate the sum of 210 plus 378. So what you will do, will it be 500 or less than 500? Here the number 100 into 110, 2, and the number of hundreds in 378 is 3. Like they are just talking about the placeholder number which are holding the place of 100. So in first one, as you can see, 210, 2 is holding the place of 100, and 378, 3 is holding the place of 100. Hence, as 300 and 200 is already 500, so it will be definitely more than 500. Okay, so in this manner we can say that we can take out the estimates of the sum. Like in first one, as you can say that let's play more game for an example. Like 3 plus what number we should add in 3, that will be the answer 8. So you can say here that if 8 is a greater number here, so you will just do one thing, you will subtract the 3 from 8, so that you get to know that what will be the second number. Like if I will subtract the 3 from 8, so I'll get the answer 5. So 5 is the only answer for these blanks. Can you tell what will become in the blanks? 8 minus 3. Yes, so 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. We can say that the same method for the large number as well. Like 124, and what we should add in 124, that will be turn up in 200. So the way is this only, that we will subtract the 124 from the 200, so that will get the answer 76, and 76 will be the only number that we can say that we have to fill in these blanks. In the same manner, as you can see that exercise is given over there, I will also give you some supporting explanation classes also, but for that you have to wait. At least you need to understand these videos first of all, and I'll give you some supporting video of board explanation also, so that these question gets more clear to you. But first you need to understand these questions only. Finding the missing addend. In the same manner you will do these things. You will just subtract the 7 from 15. Yes, you will just subtract the 7 from 15, and whatever the answer you will get, you will fill here. Like 15 minus 7, the answer will be 8. So you will fill 8 in the first one blank box. Is it clear to you? And in second question, as you can see, the number is simply given here, and you have to add that all three number and write in this box. Now here you have to put the estimate of the sum, so that the estimate of the sum, as you can, if we will take here like 200 and 100. Okay, so 200 plus 100, it will be 300, and it is more than 300, so you can write here 400, because if you will add 79 with 67, so it will be crossed 100. Okay, so 200 and 300, it will be 300, and when we will add 79 plus 67, it will be more than the 400 also, so we can say that around 400. So you will fill here the estimate 400 over there. In the same manner you will complete all these three questions in your book only. Yes, now I know that you already have taken, many of the students has taken their book set from the school, so they will start doing the work in the book, and I'll give you the break, when I'll give you the break, so that time you will revise the 1 or 2 questions of each type. I'm repeating you class, you will do from chapter number 1. Even I will also send you in the group also that how many questions of each type from your chapter from your chapter number 1 to 2 in your notebook. Okay class? And one more thing is there. I know that many of the student has started doing the work in the notebook, and so I just want to clear you one thing, that in which notebook you have started your work, you will keep on doing in that only. आपने जिस नोटबुक में अपना वर्क स्टार्ट कर दिया है आप उसी में ही अभी करिए, और जब आपकी अभी समर ब्रेक स्टार्ट होंगे तो मैम आपको डेली आपके एवरी टॉपिक से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन सेंड करेंगी जो आपको अपनी न्यू नोटबुक में स्टार्ट करने हैं. ओके, nobody will start the maths work specially without my instructions in the notebook. That's it for today class. Thank you so much. Keep on learning. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.